CHI Model 3295. Powder coated black. Frosted windows. It was just an average day here in Austin, Texas. The sun was beating down. The battery was getting low. Handful of screws. But we were determined to get the job done.
Alrighty, we got her stacked and tracked. We're putting up the horizontal right now. You can see all the stuff they got right here for us to trip over. You know, you say a few choice words, then you move on. Here we go, we got this side hung up. There's a false ceiling, so we gotta rip out some drywall to hang it. But yeah, we're getting after it, almost there. 3295, CHI.
Because the weight of it will rip it out of the corner over there unless you want to climb up there and hit those corner ones. I will now. Yeah, I was climbing on there, but it looked like the front was going to fall, so I didn't want to climb until we get over here on this back side.
So right here, as we're taking the drywall off, you're flipping up all kinds of crap and debris, and never question Mr. Bo's heart, man. He took it right in the face like a champ.
Oh, brutal.
Got blasted. You got blasted.
So the next step is to hang the horizontal tracking. They had some boxes right there, set the ladder on, kind of balance yourself, hanging onto that I-beam. That's a steel I-beam, and I got to drill some holes through it so that way we can mount it. And let me tell you, I-beams are tough. Make sure you got some nice sharp drill bits, because if you don't, you're in for a long day. And so that's my crap. I wish I had a sharp drill bit face. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Don't fall, Richard.
Bo, give me a thumb drill bit.
I think I broke it, honestly, in the last one.
Woo! Okay, now that we got our angle iron up there mounted to the I-beam, we can do our drops and our kicker. Get the horizontal track mounted and in place. Put our last nut and bolts in there. Gonna tighten this up. Got one more sheet of drywall, as you can see right there, to take down for the center drop. We're gonna double hang this thing. It's an 18x8, so it's super heavy.
Well, at least my little bit's good. Yes. Yes, it is. Bars are closed. Okay.
Got her all finished up. CHI model 3295. It's powder coat black with some frosted windows. This is an 18x8. It's a big dog. No opener on this at the moment. We take down some drywall and attach to those I-beams up there. I really don't like kicking back angle iron like that, but sometimes you got no choice. We put that center drop down, that way it stiffens it up. Realistically, the next I-beam would have been like clear up at the front of the track, which would have made no sense to put it up there. So that's where we ended up hanging it. You can see over there. And that thing's pretty solid. Just a concrete wall. 18x8, you're gonna get a double end style, meaning you got double hinges on the end. These are pretty awesome doors. I love installing these guys. see the frosted. I'm looking outside right now, you can't see anything. So that's what the frosted glass will get you. Got our spring line up there. All right, if you got any questions about this model or about this install, please ask in the comments, hit that like button. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys' support. Yeah, so you can see on this 3295, it's gonna look really nice with the rest of the home. Kind of contemporary, new style, new age design. It's on the side of a concrete wall, so looks pretty cool. Yeah, I've said it before, these doors right here, this is the last garage door you'll ever buy.
Why?
Because, you know, the aluminum frame is so strong.
Yeah.
And, I mean, unless you physically drive through it with a car. But as far as normal wear and tear, these things are built to last. And they look really cool. Get you one of these. Get all updated, contemporary, modern looking. All right, folks, we'll talk to you later. Live from Austin. Catch you on the flip. Peace.